so sunny. Time to put on my stunner shade. Hi! We are going to eat today. Kind of a brunch-ish, late. It's 12.
Lunch.
Yeah, so basically lunch. Say hi, Bob.
What's up?
It's a super nice day in LA today.
It is.
It's not hot. It's not cold.
It's perfect. 79 degrees. Perfect weather. Super nice weather.
Yeah, but the funny thing is we're not going to be doing anything outside. We're going to go
Good.
watch X-Men.
A little late, but let's do. We got a couple movies lined up for this summer that we have to watch. I think X-Men. We got Guardians of the Galaxy. What's that Tom Cruise movie?
I don't know.
I forgot what the title was called, but we're gonna watch that one. That was next week. A few other ones. But
Eric's going through a movie phase right now. He wants to watch all these.
yeah, I've been.
Oh,
in a
you want to
movie
watch
phase.
22 Jump Street?
Oh, 22 Jump Street. That's gonna be pretty hilarious. I love Jonah Hill.
Okay, maybe I should
He's
roll
hilarious. You know what? Channing Tatum's pretty funny too.
Channing Tatum?
For being such a,
For being hot?
good-looking guy, being like the main character of like melodramatic movies, he does pretty well in comedies. I really like that.
Yeah.
That's good. Like, he's flexible. He doesn't only do one type of movie. Like typecasting.
Yeah, so we're gonna go eat at a local restaurant in Claremont called The Press. What?
Yeah. Okay. Why you look at me like that for so long?
I don't know, it seemed like you maybe had something else to say.
No. Where are we gonna go eat? I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
We're gonna do passport today. I didn't even do my hair.
Bob, why didn't you do your hair?
It's okay. I'll just take the passport like this.
10 years. Yeah, Eric's gonna go get his passport photo taken because he has to. He's been liking it. Every week he's like, no, next week. Next week. Bye. See you later, alligator. Hi.
So what happened, huh?
We went to the press where we were gonna eat, and they were actually closed. On Mondays, they only open for dinner.
So where are we going now?
We're going to eat somewhere else, near the movie theater.
Forgot what it was called. But I think it's a vegetarian restaurant.
Yeah, some like organic place.
I think this is our favorite spot. Probably this is what I call the square. Remember, guys?
It's your favorite spot?
I think this is my favorite spot in Claremont.
Oh, so we're gonna try Living Flat.
Right there? Alright, lead the way.
The music is crazy.
No, it doesn't really match a vegan type of restaurant theme music, does it? I feel like I'm in a nightclub or something.
So our burger's out. It's a vegetarian burger.
Smells really good.
I'm gonna take a picture for Yelp.
You are?
Uh-huh.
Take a bite. Tell me how it is.
Our pizza's here. We both kind of dug into our pizzas. Man, your picture quality is so clear. Good? Our bodies need food to keep us healthy. Our souls depend on love to grow. Hi, we just finished watching X-Men. It was actually pretty good. What'd you think?
That's good.
Yeah?
Yeah. This seems the shade though.
We came back out to the square and now there's music playing.
You want to zoom?
Hi guys, this is probably a really unflattering pose. I'm like laying down with my chin out like, but we're back home now. We watched a movie. We did some passport stuff. Eric had to take a passport photo and do the applications and stuff. And there he is. There's the man. There's the man.
Yeah, I went to go renew my passport.
There's
We actually did that quick. Took the photo, filled out the application,
And
put
then-
everything together. I think within 15 minutes. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I was lagging that passport thing for how long? Like
Weeks, like 3 weeks.
months.
Maybe months.
Because Jennifer kept telling us, or my family kept telling us to renew it, but I kept lagging. So, but today we finished that, and it was that easy.
That weird sound in the background is Eric's video game. Eric's about to. We're actually gonna go see our friends.
I had a dilemma of either go work out or stay home and play video games. And obviously I stayed home and played video games until we go see our friends.
Yeah, we're gonna go see our friends. We're actually meeting them in downtown Disney. One of our friends came from New York and some of our other friends live in LA area. We're gonna meet in downtown Disney. I'm watching some SC Button vlogs at home on my tablet, and now we're just gonna relax and go see our friends later. So see you later. Bye. Hi. So now I'm ready. I don't know if you can see my outfit quick, but we're running a little late. We got distracted. Yeah, I was kind of doing my nails and I got distracted, and Eric got distracted playing video games and we didn't keep track of time. So it's
7:30.
getting close to 7:30 now and we're heading off. Hi. We're on the tram to downtown Disney.
There's so many people here today.
Yeah, it's pretty packed.
See, I know where I'm going still.
Careful.
재밌어?
Huh?
재밌어? Look at that bar in the middle. That's pretty sick.
We used to be annual pass holders in Disneyland a couple years ago. We don't have it anymore, but we're thinking about getting it again. How about?
Yeah, I think we should.
We'll see. Are we almost there?
I think we're almost there. So we finished eating some dinner with our friends, and we're heading back. We ate at Rainforest Cafe. Look at this aquarium. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Say what's up, guys. Kim's taking a picture of John right now. What an old man. Look at your old man.
I hate you.
This is what old man said.
I hate you.
Did you have fun?
Hey, come on.
Bye, Rainforest Cafe. Say hi. This is going on YouTube. Say hi. Say hi. It's going on internet.
Oh, what do you mean? What's really good? Chill.
Yo.